60 years ago, we at UNDP planted seeds of possibility across the world. When the small island nation-state of Singapore sought to transform itself into an economic powerhouse, UNDP stepped up. Through our partnership, we provided support across city planning, healthcare, education, and industry. When Syria's ongoing crisis left over half the country's hospitals not functioning, UNDP stepped up to help improve access to healthcare services for over 1.6 million people between 2023 and 2024 alone. And when Rwanda sought to protect frontline health workers from COVID-19, we partnered with them to deploy smart anti-epidemic robots. This is how development works, not through what we give, but what we unlock together. The numbers tell our story of transformation. Since 2022, UNDP, with our partners, has brought essential services to 160 million people, connected 259 million to financial services, and linked 82 million to clean energy. Through our Nature Pledge, more than 2 million people have benefited directly and more than 100 million indirectly, from the power of nature-based solutions and ecosystem restoration to transform development outcomes. We created 2.6 million jobs and livelihoods in crisis-affected countries and supported more than 800 million voters to participate in elections across more than 40 countries. As the world has evolved, so have we. In 1990, our Human Development Report revolutionized how we measured progress, asking not just about GDP, but whether people live longer, healthier, more fulfilling lives. Since then, UNDP has been at the forefront of exploring emerging issues that shape people's lives, from multidimensional poverty to human security, from the risks of exceeding planetary boundaries to artificial intelligence. We embraced digital transformation at scale, ensuring it's responsible, inclusive, and delivers for all. In 2024, we supported 70 countries in designing national digital strategies, reaching over 200 million people. In Ukraine, with the Ministry of Digital Transformation, the EU, and local communities, we have built service centers that bring essential support, from veteran services to business registration, birth certificates, and pension assistance directly to residents and displaced families. In India, UNDP supported the largest digital immunization registry, tracking almost 300 million vaccine doses in real time. Development isn't charity, it's smart security. Our work in crisis prevention builds resilience so countries can withstand economic, social, and environmental shocks. But when crisis strikes, we stay. UNDP maintains operations in the world's most challenging contexts: Afghanistan, Gaza, Haiti, Sudan, Myanmar, Ukraine, and Yemen. Our stabilization programs have benefited nearly 17 million people and enabled over 6 million to return home safely since 2015. This changing, interconnected world brings opportunity and challenge. Our Climate Promise 2025 brings together 30 UN organizations and country teams to support over 100 countries, strengthen their climate commitments, and turn promises into action. We are scaling solutions that protect people and the planet. In the Amazon, our partnerships reduce deforestation while supporting the livelihoods of women, indigenous peoples, and local communities. Innovation drives our approach. Our Accelerator Labs network has sourced over 6,000 development solutions across 115 countries. The Timbuktu Initiative aims to support 10,000 African tech startups, while Youth Connect Africa has empowered 12 million young people across the continent. Championing sustainable finance and co-investment with private sector partners, we support governments in multiplying impact and building foundations for lasting prosperity. In Ecuador, we partnered to transform coffee production towards sustainability, creating the world's first certified deforestation-free coffee and setting a new global standard, proving that innovation and successful public-private partnership models can reshape entire industries. Some of our most transformative work happens behind the scenes. We support countries through transitions to democracy and peace, bringing together opposing voices when tensions run high. Our governance work goes far beyond elections. We strengthen institutions and local networks, build capacities to deliver public services, enable justice and protect human rights. We help leaders respond to what people need. This often means advancing gender equality and elevating women's leadership to shape inclusive, future-ready governance. In addition, UNDP has become the operational backbone of countless UN efforts, supporting over 70 UN entities, managing services across 113 UN country teams, and streamlining operations to improve efficiency and impact. Behind every number is real impact. Lives transformed, sustainable finance unlocked, entire systems rebuilt for the future. Trust drives everything we accomplish. From day one, our core funding partner countries have entrusted UNDP to deliver results worldwide. Their unwavering support is the foundation of our global impact. 30 years ago, many governments also chose to entrust their domestic resources through UNDP to achieve development at home. Today, when 94 countries invest $1.2 billion of their resources in UNDP programs, they're investing in their own people's potential. This partnership makes transformation possible. 60 years of possibilities realized, millions of lives transformed. Together, and with UNDP as an integral part of the UN system, we are building a world where both people and planet thrive.